What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to reduce your video size when exporting a video in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After editing your video clip in Premiere Pro, make sure to open up your export settings. Navigate to File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl and M. At the bottom of this window, you can preview your estimated file size when using these export settings. The easiest way to lower your file size is to change your export preset. My preset is set to Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate, which will give me the best output resolution, but this will in turn also increase the file size considerably. The Match Source High Bitrate preset should be more than enough for 60 fps 1080p footage. As you can see, this will already reduce the file size by almost 50%. In the Video tab, scroll down to the bitrate settings, where you can further reduce the bitrate for exported videos. For 24 to 48 fps footage, make sure to set your target bitrate option to 6 MB per second. Set your bitrate encoding to VBR, which stands for Variable Bitrate. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.